is Tim Skrock. I'm from a company called M-Pure based in Berlin, Germany. Today we're going to show you our new Pronto to Apple TV script. You can either download it from our website at www.mpure.de or buy your Pronto license from www.mpure-shop.com. Once you get the script running, you open it up, you see an activity called Apple TV Music Clean. This can be copy and paste to your Pronto script modules and used in any and all of your projects. We have designed this in the Philips Clean design so it can be easily copied and used in your existing projects, so it blends in very nicely. The first thing, of course, like always, you have to do is configure your network according to your Wi-Fi and IP settings. We support both DHCP and fixed IP. Once you've done this, you need to jump into the Apple TV Music Clean activity. You have to put in the general parameters. As you can see, you have to put in the Apple TV's IP address. We highly recommend setting the Apple TV on a static IP. How to do this you can easily see on the Apple page. You can use the built-in volume control of the Apple TV if you want to. If you're using a separate AV receiver and you want to switch this off. You can also use the IR control for the on-screen navigation. Because we do not support this feature through IP yet, we are working on it and hope to be putting this out with our next release. Right now you have to do the on-screen menu has to be controlled using IR, so you can do this either directly from your Pronto or through an extender. If you have this feature enabled, then when you're in the now playing page and you use the menu or the tracking and the OK button, this will send out the IR commands according to the original Apple remote. You can also enable or disable load cover. This is for browsing in the albums or artists menu. If you have a huge selection of music on your Apple TV, we highly recommend to turn this feature off, because otherwise it's going to take forever to load the cover art on the browse pages with albums and artists. We have also two button key actions that you can use for jumping home or jumping back. Now let me show you what the script actually looks like when you start it up. The Pronto connects to your Apple TV. You can use the EPG button to toggle the mode between now playing and our menu mode. Like I said before, if you're only now playing, the menu and the tracking and the OK button will all send out IR codes. If you're on the browse page, you can use the selection of the playlist. You can select the playlist. You can browse for artists. You can use the alphabetical sorting, do the quick jumps. You can browse the albums. You can also use again this alphabetical setting. Let's say you can search. So let's say we're looking for Top Gun. You say search album. Voila. We have a more function where you have audiobooks. There are no audiobooks on our Apple TV. You could look for composers. Again, Ray Charles. Click on it. You can browse for movies. You can browse genre. You can browse your music videos, your podcasts, your TV shows. And you can also, if you want to, select different Apple TVs to be putting out the audio feed. So let's say I'm looking for an album and I want to play that album. Remember that I had the use volume control enabled. So this is now coming from the Apple TV, bidirectional feedback. We have repeat, repeat off, repeat all, repeat one, shuffle on, shuffle off. Could pause this, play it, switch to the next track. The next track, see how fast it is. So we're going back to artists, and listen to Dire Straits, Walk Alive. Here we go, Walk Alive. And this is pretty much it. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed our new Pronto to Apple TV script. Bye bye.